Smells so good. Hi everyone. Today I am making a very delicious and flavorful homemade shrimp stock. You can use this stock to make many seafood and fish dishes like seafood rice, seafood stew, shrimp rice, etc. This recipe is going to be very easy to follow with a few tricks, and I will show you ways to store as well. Please watch this video until the end. If you like it, give thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click here on the bell icon to get the latest notification from Pabs Kitchen. Let's begin. To make the shrimp stock, here are the ingredients. After we have all ingredients ready, I am turning on the gas in a medium flame. Put a large pot on. This is 4 liters pot. As soon as the pot gets slightly hot, add in olive oil. Keep it around 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is slightly hot, add in diced 1 cup onion, ginger, chopped fresh coriander or cilantro stems, minced garlic, 2 smashed lemongrass. Seafood really goes with citric and lemony flavor. You can use lemony skin or leaves instead, and 3 fresh bay leaves. Now combine them very well and let them infuse slowly until you smell the aroma outside. It takes around 6 to 8 minutes. Keep stir them constantly a few times between to infuse evenly. After 8 minutes, stir it. You see it reduced. It's very transparent and the oil separated. This is important to get the amazing flavor out of them. Now time to add in the diced carrot, 1.5 cups, 1 cup diced celery, 1 cup chopped French garlic, 1 cup diced ripe tomatoes, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I'm using this type of cup. This is in American Standard. Combine them very well. Cover it and let them cook in its own juice around 15 minutes or until all vegetables are soft. Meanwhile, we check and stir it to soften evenly. Everyone's heat is different, so if you need, you can add in a bit of water to prevent burning. After 15 minutes, let's see. Stir it. Looks soft and well combined, see? Yet I haven't added any water. Now I will turn other gas burner on in medium flame and move on this pot. This is the interesting part now. I am going to flambe the shrimp shell and heads. Warning, if you are not sure and not confident doing it, please don't do it. If you just sorted them, still we can make a good stock. Around children or children are not recommended to. Take a thick base pan on high heat. The pan is hot now. I will add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add in all those 800 grams of head and shell of shrimp. I store them little by little. It's from around 2 kilos of shrimp. Stir it very well. Wait to heat and dry the excess water. After 2 minutes, stir it again. See, all water is dried. Change to beautiful color and the oil got separated. Now reduce the heat to medium-low. Never do flambéing on high heat flame at home. Add in brandy or liquor or the alcohol that has high quantity of alcohol. I'm using 100 ml of brandy. Let the alcohol get warm and put flame on it. Use long fireplace matches or lighter to flame it. Looks good. This trick, especially on the shrimp's flambéing process, works so well and it enhances the flavor to the top to make a rich flavor and reduces the quantities of the alcohol while still we feel the flavor of the alcohol. After stop flaming, turn heat up to high, stir a bit and let it evaporate 2 minutes. By this time, the smell so good and rich than before. I love it. 2 minutes done, the juice got evaporated. I'm going to move the pan and bring the pot to in this burner. See, cooking vigorously. Stir it. It cooked almost 25 minutes all together and all vegetables are cooked so well. See the carrots? Now we add into all the flambéing shrimp shell and heads. Combine them very well. After combine them very well, add in 3 liters of water. Give a little mix. Let it boil. Still our heat is on high flame. After it boils, stir it a bit. Reduce the heat to medium and let it continue boiling for around 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes passed. Turn off the flame. With a potato masher, I am going to smash them to get all the amazing flavor and the head cream out of the shrimp's head. It took around 2 minutes. See, all got smashed and come all the flavor out. The color now looks so beautiful and rich. Transfer the stock. You will need large bowl and a strainer. I have them here. Pour it. And squeeze it with a potato masher to get the all stock out. We are looking for minimum 2.5 liters of stock. We have little bit more than 2.5 liters of stock here. Smells so good and looks beautiful. You can use directly or I will show you how to make the stock cubes. This is optional but very good trick to make it creamy stock cubes. I use a liter stock to make the creamy stock cubes. For this, I am going to heat a pot in a medium heat. Once the pot is slightly hot, I will add in 50 grams of butter, mix it and let it melt. After all butter melted, add in 50 grams of plain flour little by little and mix it constantly while you are adding in them. Mix them very well until they combine and change the color towards slightly golden brown. See, like this. Now add in 1 liter of stock that we separated earlier and combine them very well until no lump and let it simmer in medium heat until they are slightly thick for around 5 minutes. Meanwhile, keep mixing it. Now when you see like this consistency or thick liquid, transfer to a jar and pour into a ice cube tray. I made 2 types of cubes and a block, which is easy for us to decide how much we want to use. Let it cool down. After cool it down, keep in the freezer. After 12 hours in the freezer, it looks like this. I will take them out and keep them into a bag and store in the freezer and use until 3 months. The liquid one I am going to use now to make the shrimp rice. This shrimp rice video is going to be my next video on YouTube. Do not skip it. It is going to be the delicious one. The rest I will keep in the freezer with other. But if you are using it in the next couple of days, keep in the refrigerator and use it before 4 days. Basically the ratio I recommend is 1 cup of stock equal 1 cup of water for the mild shrimp flavor. For a stronger flavor, use 1 cup stock equal to half cup water. 2 big cubes dissolve into 1 cup of water and small cubes double the ratio of this. The block you can use for your family dish. This stock is so aromatic and delicious. I hope you make it and enjoy. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification of my future recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.